Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to play Don't Press the Button! Alright, so yeah, I'm here with the Matthew here. So we don't press the button because we're gonna have lots of random challenge here. So have you played this game, Matthew?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, this is your first time, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see. Okay, so now the first challenge is color the most amount of tiles. Okay, so let's see who's gonna. Yo, this dude just taking my yellow, you know? Oh my god.
Are you supposed to color the tiles? Or...
Right, yes. Okay,
Can
so.
you take...
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can take the tiles.
Yeah, maybe we can take other people's tile. Let's see. Okay. So what color are you? So I won't take yours. Oh, so you're red. Okay, so I'm yellow. Say, let's work together. Let's beat the crap out of them. Okay. So who's the winner here? Okay, so who's the winner? Oh, no one, eh? Okay, go to the other side. Oh, okay, this is the crossroad. Okay. Let's win this. Let's go. Oh, there's someone using jetpack. Alright. That's too easy. Dude! Alright, yay! We are the winner. So, did you win, Matt? Okay, you win. Yay! Yeah, so Matthew's name here is Matt Cool. So, yeah. Okay, so let other press the button. Okay, find and collect the Easter egg. Okay. Let's see. The Easter egg.
Take them. I got one of them.
Nice. I haven't found one yet. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, where's the Easter egg? Okay, so it's like the egg, right? Oh, I found one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, pick up. Yes. Okay.
I gave before.
Yep, I found one. Okay, so I'm not sure where is it, but okay. Oh, there's okay, there's two. It's me. All right. Yeah, me first, man. You can take my egg. Okay, so there's there's three. Okay. There's two. Well, I haven't found one yet. Oh, there it is. Is it? Yes, it is. Yeah, I got three. All right. So yeah, so this is also my first time playing here. So, my question is, what's the term for us to win? You know, maybe before time runs out or with the most eggs. I think it's with the most eggs, right?
At this level, whoever gets the most eggs wins.
Right. Yeah. So there's 6 eggs. Okay. So we need 6 eggs to get that. All right. Grapple hook. No. Acid is spreading. Whoa! Watch out, dude. Watch out.
What do we...
Okay. So maybe we should go to the edge of the map, maybe, or up here. Oh my God. There's. Oh no. How? Oh. Alright. Enter the castle.
Yeah. Is it like bosses you have to beat?
Yep. Wait. Okay, so reach the end. Okay. Say this is the competition, okay? Ah! We die! Ah! Oh no. The lava is rising. Oh, okay. So there's timing for it. Yups. Wait, okay, so we must be patient. Oh no. Okay, so arena is. Yep. Yep. Okay, careful. Oh no, I'm dead. Ah, okay. I'm too impatient. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, there's the winner. Oh yeah. Ah, I'm dead. Oh, so yep. Yeah, so there's gotta be more than one winner here, and I'm in the last place right now. So yeah, I'm not sure if I can win. Okay, let's see.
Looking big.
Okay, after this, I'm gonna press the button. Let's see what will happen. Yay! You win, Matt?
Yeah, one.
Yay! Alright. Oh, yeah, I'm not in the last place anymore, so... Okay. Okay, wait for me. I'm coming. So, yeah. La 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 la. Alright, so this is the last. Aha! I didn't win. Okay, okay, but it is okay. Okay, I'm going to press the button. So how do you press the button here?
Both.
Oh, okay, so what is spliff? Wait, what is spliff? Oh! Alright, alright. So we can...
Don't fall.
Yep, don't fall. And we can jump in here. Oh no! No, 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 no. Oh no, I'm dead. Alright. Wow, I collect all. It's 35. Okay, 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 okay. Why we're so small and we can jump so high? We. Alright. So yeah, we are getting small. So yeah. So how do you water for the snowballs? Okay.
Oh.
We no 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 no
It's
no.
falling from the sky.
Okay. Oh, I'm dead. I got it for the snowballs. So how do we press this button? Like, is it in the? There's supposed to be like some kind of button, right? So yeah.
Yeah, the jump.
Oh, I have to jump to press the button.
Yeah, to try and get away from the balls.
All right. Wait, how do I press this button? Whoa, I become big. We all become big. Wow.
Cover under the balls.
Dude, I want to be an umbrella. Ah, okay, one's dead. Yeah.
It's so slow.
Yep. Oh, no, 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 no. So, yeah, it's AC train. So, okay. So, maybe it's like Mr. Beast, maybe. So, if you press a button and somehow you gotta get 1 million Robux, maybe. Maybe it is. I'm not sure, but okay. Oh my god, I'm dead. Okay, bye. Okay. So how do you press the button? Wait, button presser, okay. Oh, okay. So this is like the Squid Game, okay. Banana, yay! Yeah, banana! So yeah. The girl pressed the button and we become banana. Yeah! Yeah, we become banana. Okay. Escape the...
Burning building.
Yep. Escape the burning building. Oh my god, I'm dead. Okay. Bye. So what is this? Grapple hook. Alright. VIP gamer, boombox, music. Okay. No. Cancel. Join the group for bigger reward. No. Okay, not yet. Speed coil, portal shooter, gravity coil. Alright. You still there, Matthew? You still in the building? Oh, you're here. Alright.
I died like right away.
Damn. Well, yep. I'm curious if there's something, you know. Okay, the first one, the fun. Okay.
I pressed the button.
and press the button. Be the first one and press the button. Oh, okay.
What? Don't press it.
Wait, is there supposed to be some kind of... Oh, okay. Hurry, get to the other side. Okay. Watch out, the bridge is collapsing. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, yeah, yeah. I win, right? I win, right? I'm stuck! I'm stuck! No! I'm stuck! No! Ah! La 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 la. I am. Okay, so someone already. Okay, we're in space. Yay! So what?
You can jump high.
Yay! Wee! Alright, yay, yay. Okay, so can we get there? Go there? Oh, okay. Wee! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So let's see if we can go back to our land. Oh no, we're dead. Yay! Choose a side. Okay, I went blue. Yep, choosing blue. Choosing blue. Whoa! Okay, we're dead.
Only one person left.
Alright. One person left. Oh. Alright. Bacon fans. Get to the water, huh? Okay, okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, what's my health?
Oh, I died in there.
Damn. Get to the water, okay? This is the water. Okay. Yay. Ha, so this is the compilation of the mini games, right?
Watch out.
Watch out, okay, okay.
Ooh.
Oh, there's ball. Ah!
Oh!
Almost. Uh-oh. So can you press the button, Matthew?
Yeah.
Get ready, okay. Fight. Oh, okay. So wait. Wait, how do you use this? I can even shoot, you know? How do you...
You know, I shoot.
Oh, wait, you died too? Damn. Yeah, I mean, how do you shoot? I'm not sure, wait. Oh, so you just click this, okay. So you just click the screen, right? To use the item, right? Like this kick?
Yeah.
Alright.
Name it.
Yummy. Yummy. Let's eat, let's eat. Let's eat, bro. The bacon fans. Yeah, you can press the button, alright.
Ooh. This is another snowball.
A snowball, okay. Alright. Okay, sorry, Matthew. Okay. So yeah, let's attack the others other than us. Snowball. So there's, I think there's no harm in here, you know.
Try to aim with it.
Okay. So yeah, so how do you kill your enemy here? I don't know. Wait, what happened to you? Oh man.
There's one left, I think.
Yep, I'm still here. Remaining. Whoa, alright. Yeah, it's pretty random.
Slide down.
Slide down. Alright, let's see.
You fall into the sky.
Let's see. Oh, okay. Slide down to it. Alright. Slide down. Alright, so how do I press? Okay. Repair the broken window. Alright. Matthew, hello?
Hey,
Okay, yeah, so my screen is totally white. I don't know why. So yeah. Okay, so let's repair the windows. I'm going to take this side here. So let's see. Hey, I'm handsome. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to stand by here. Oh, here. Yeah. Good as new.
who is somewhere?
Okay. I'm sorry. I should be the one who repair this. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm going to repair this. Alright, I have two sets here. Wait. Why is lagging? Why is lagging? Oh my god! Ah! Dude! Yep, there's so many leaking in my dude, this guy should notice this. Oh my god. No. I'm dead.
That's a hard level.
Yep. Get to the other side. Okay. This is the good one, you know. Hey, almost. Dude! I'm number one! Hey, oh, no. Wait, I'm number one, right?
Got the second.
Yep. Alright, we win, you know. Whoa, what happened here?
No, person.
Okay.
Oh, you have to press as many times as you can.
How do I press this? I don't know. No, wait.
Expand the button.
Just spam the. Wait, I don't have the button here. Wait.
The red one.
Oh, okay. Loya is one. Stay close to the light. Okay.
So the light is.
Whoa. Okay. So the light is moving.
Like a little bubble.
Yep. The light is a bubble. Yep. We should move.
Ooh.
I thought.
I died.
Damn, dude. Oh, no. Alright, so there's 4 remainings. Alright. I guess that counts as a win. I guess. On your mark, okay.
Erase.
Yep. 1, go!
One.
Wait, we're so slow!
I think that is speed bumps.
Oh, okay, I understand this. Okay, I'm gonna lose this. Because, yeah, they already take the buff. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, we're lost. Ah. We're jumping.
Hit the speed bump.
Damn. There, I win. Yeah, we're just jumping here. Okay. Get to the finish line. Okay. So there we go. Wait. Yeah. Alright. Get to the finish
So the
line.
game-
Yeah, so the game is simply get to the finish line. Oh my god, I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead. I don't think I can win. Damn. Hut, 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 hut.
They made it.
No, I won't make it. I won't make it in time. I fall down. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's done. Down. Stay clear of moving platform, huh? Okay. So how do we know? Oh.
Oh.
Alright. Oh, okay. This is interesting.
Stand in there with me.
Yeah, so it's like Fall Guys, but yeah, but we can do it all the time we want, right? Yeah, I almost make a mistake. No. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, man. Ah! I'm dead. Alright. Hurry to the ground. Oh, okay. Okay. So we must go to the hole as soon as possible. As fast as possible. Yay! I won. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Did you make it, Matthew?
Yeah.
Alright. Survive the falling paths. Okay. The falling paths. Oh, wait. How do I know which one is gonna fall?
It's like
Fall guy? Ah! Okay. I fall. So, is it random or it looks random though? Yeah, it looks pretty much random.
oh, stupid.
You can do it. You can do it, Pat. It's okay. Oh! Almost. Oh! PC.
One up.
Damn. Alright. So yeah. Press the button, Matt. Alright. Deliver the pizza to the correct house. Huh? Wait, how do I know if it's the correct house? Maybe. Oh, 47. Okay, 47. This one. Ting ting. Yay. Yay! I win first, right? Yay. So you have to check what's the number?
I got
Okay, I think this is pretty interesting. Maybe 5 more press button and then I'm gonna end the recording, okay?
okay.
Okay, just 5 more press button. Alright, so mine to find diamond. Okay. Is this Minecraft? Okay. Is this Minecraft? Okay. Yeah, I believe this is Minecraft. This is Minecraft. Yo, this is Minecraft. This is Minecraft. This is Minecraft. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so is this Minecraft? Dude, is it really Minecraft, you know, because we must find the diamond, right?
I didn't find it.
Yeah, I haven't found anything yet. Also. Dude, This is literally Minecraft, you know?
Yeah, till I get
Yep. Where's the diamond? Dude. Dude. Dude, this is Minecraft. Oh my. I haven't found any diamond yet, you know? Have you found one?
right.
Ah, it's Charlie. Okay. So, 4 more. Maybe 4 more button. Okay. Just. Yeah, others already pressed the button. Oh, exit.
Oh,
Okay.
I died for
Yeah. Oh my
That's
god.
just sick. Yeah, I died from that.
Damn. That's shocking. Alright. I'm on the top of a log. I shouldn't be dead, you know. Okay. 3 more prizes and we're gonna end this. Okay. Yeah, you can press the button, Matt, if you want to. Okay.
Don't fall in the lava.
How are we going to do that? Okay. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh, okay. Alright. Hey, it's slippery.
Just stand at this.
Yep. Ah! Whoa. Okay, I'm dead.
You died.
Yep, it's very slippery. Watch out. Watch your step.
I'm gonna stand outside.
Oh, almost, man. Damn. Yeah, at least you're in the top 2. Oh, so that's how you. Damn. Alright, so tomorrow button, I believe. Survive. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Maybe in the middle. I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we survived. Oh no. Which one?
This one.
Ye-
Survived.
Yep, we survived. Yeah. The last 3. Okay, the last button. Let's see. What is this? Get ready. Fight. Oh, okay. Pew. Wait, why can I shoot? How do I shoot this? How do I shoot this?
Press the jump button.
Oh, press the jump button. Oh, so the jump button also the action button, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I just understand. Okay. All right. So yeah.
See who's the last one?
Yeah, this is gonna be the last, and then we're gonna end the recording. So yeah. Antong 2013. Okay. Hey, jumping.
Oh, you saw what?
Okay, I think that's all for now. Guys, thank you for watching and don't press the button, okay? Oh, we fight, okay? Okay, yeah, that's why you shouldn't press the button because you're gonna die. That's all, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next content. Do you have any word to say, Matthew?
You guys should try this game and tell us how well you guys do.
Alright. Okay, guys. See you in the next content. Bye-bye.
See you guys.
Yeah, see you. Alright.